My favorite smile makeover are brides. I mean, they're the most fun because they're going to a wedding day and they want to look beautiful and they want to have a beautiful smile. And sometimes, they might have one tooth smaller than the other, or spaces between their teeth, or something that just can't be corrected without using some, a dental procedure to do that. And we get to do that and play around with it, and it's a lot of fun. It makes just a tremendous difference. It's not unusual for us to see the groom after we see the bride, because everybody wants to look beautiful on their wedding day. And a lot of times we don't have to do a whole lot of dentistry. We can do minimal dentistry and get maximum results. People's confidence shoots up. I've had people that have come in that we've done smile makeovers that have changed jobs and advanced in their careers. I'm not sure if it's so much because of their smile as much as I think it has to do with how confident they are because of their smile. It's like they already had it in them. It just brings it out.